What happens to the one who kills, the murderer? Where's his problem, tell me? The one who kills somebody else, what's his problem? Anyone tell me?
Mental.
Sorry?
Craziness.
You can say craziness, yes, but there is a state that they have to be able to think that, you know what, I'm going to pick up that gun now and I'm going to go and shoot that person. Anger. Right? Anger is another thing that can come into the heart, and when it comes, it can totally take over. And it's one of those things that depends how deep it penetrates again, which is that you can be angry a little bit, you can be angry a lot. And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has described this in a hadith, and he said there's 4 types of people when it comes to anger. There's a hadith in Tirmidhi. He says there's the type of person, one type of person, it takes them a long time to get angry, but a long time to calm down. Do you guys understand? It takes him a long time to get angry, but a long time to calm down. Okay? Bati'ul ghadab, bati'ul fay. Type 2. It takes them a short time to get angry and a short time to calm down. Sari'ul ghadab, sari'ul fay. So they quickly get angry, they have outbursts. They get angry and they calm down again, right quick. But then they get angry really quickly and they calm down. They have these spouts all the time. Okay? Both again, they're problematic. Now the first one that, takes a long time to get angry, but once he's angry, man, it's this part is a problem. Taking time to cool down. The second one, the problem is that they keep on getting angry. And the type 3 is, it takes them, they get angry really quickly. This is the worst type. They get angry really quickly, and it takes them a long time to cool down. Do you understand? Sari'ul ghadab, bati'ul fay. The Prophet ﷺ says that gets angry really quick, and once they're angry, it takes them a long time to calm down. Man, you don't want to have a husband or a wife like that, man. I'll tell you what. Just want to, la hawla wala quwwata illa billah. And the best one the Prophet ﷺ described is bati'ul ghadab, sari'ul fay. He said the one that it takes a long time to get angry, but a short time to cool down. Do you guys understand? And Rasulullah ﷺ was of that type. You guys understand? Rasulullah ﷺ was of this type, that it took a long time for you to make him angry, but when he was angry, he calmed down really quickly. Now, with regards to the other 3 types that we explained, these are problems, and depending on how bad you are in terms of the penetration of anger into your heart, you could have a small problem to a big problem, but again, it's a problem. And some people, like those people who once they get angry, it's like they don't care. That's it. It's great. It's like crazy anger, which is just not calming down. What will they do? They'll start committing a crime, whether it's shooting someone, harming someone, doing something bad. They will do it. But it's a disease of the heart that slowly, catches on, and if you don't sort the problem out, then it's going to go on, and it could do something very harmful.